hate it when that happens.
Did you hear my jaw pop?
I heard that.
I know.
I thought that was like your back or something.
That was my jaw. Hey guys, welcome back to Ladies of Lavender. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like to join the Ladies of Lavender family.
Okay guys, so for this video, we're going to be looking at some of the things that we bought at our store haul.
So just like last time, I left some links in the description box for menstrual cups and period underwear if you want to have those in your back to school period kit. We also left a list of all the things that we bought so you can go to the store and have your own list.
Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to look at is the pads that we bought. We bought a regular and a super pack, and these are the Honey Pot company.
Yeah, we've never really used them before, but they looked really great and they're eco-friendly. There's no fragrances, there's no dyes or anything like that. So we thought that that would be a really great choice.
And the price was not very bad at all.
Okay, so the next thing we got were these tampons, and they're from Tampax, and they are the compact size, and I think I talked about this in our tampon video, and if you have not seen that, I'll link it above. But basically the compact tampons are these small tampons that you pull apart to become normal size tampons, and a lot of people like these because you can hold them in your hand. That's why we picked them up, and we got them in regular and super.
So next we picked up the Always brand panty liners. This was a double pack, so it has 120 in them, which is awesome for the price that we got them for. I like having these just as a small emergency, like if I don't have a lot of things with me, if I at least have some small panty liners, then I know that I at least have some protection.
And we both really like them because they have a really sticky underside, so they're not gonna like fall off or anything. That's what I really like about them. And they're also very, very thin, so you can pack like 20 of them in your period kit and it won't take up space. Alright, so the next thing we picked up are these Summer's Eve individually wrapped feminine wipes. And these are the fragrance free, and they're also for sensitive skin. And you don't want to flush these, by the way. I think it says somewhere on the box, but you don't want to flush these, you just want to throw them away. And they remove odor causing bacteria, they're pH balanced, free from dyes and parabens, and gently cleanses and freshens.
So next we have the Midol gel caps, and these help relieve cramps, bloating, fatigue, headaches, and backaches. This is a lifesaver right here.
I really like them because they also have caffeine, so when you're really tired on your period and you don't want to get up and you're having cramps, just take a Midol before school. You'll have caffeine, you'll not have any cramps, so I would definitely recommend Midol. Okay. And then the last thing we picked up is this deodorant, and it's in the travel size, and it's just Secret Outlast deodorant. We thought that it was important to have this in your backpack or your period kit. It's not really essential to your period, but it's still important.
Okay, so the last item is this really cute bag that we picked up. The colors are really cute, and it's nice and thin, so you could keep it in a backpack or in a larger purse. So this is awesome to put your period products in.
Alrighty, so this is what you guys have been waiting for at least a month now. We are doing a back to school period kit giveaway. So actually everything that we bought today and showed y'all today is part of the giveaway.
Okay, so in order to enter yourself into the giveaway, you have to like and subscribe to the Ladies of Lavender YouTube channel, comment on one of our videos, and follow us on Instagram.
Okay, so a few disclaimers before we end this video. You do need to have parental consent if you're below the age of 18. Most of you guys probably are, but just make sure your parents are okay with you giving us your address if you do win, because your address is required to send you all of the feminine products. So this giveaway is really only open to people in the US because shipping is a hassle. And one other thing, the giveaway will be open for 2 weeks. I guess I should only put up one, for 2 weeks. So you want to make sure to do everything that she just said so you're entered, and we will announce the winner in 2 weeks.
So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.
We post every single week and give you guys a heads up on what video we are posting for the week. And as we just said, we're doing a giveaway, so you want to make sure to follow us on Instagram.
So if you have any questions, let us know. You can DM us on Instagram, shoot us an email at ladiesoflavender20@gmail.com, or you can comment down below.
Yeah, we would love to answer y'all's period questions. Alright, that's it for today's video. We'll see you next week.
Baby shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started